Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to record value-added tax in QuickBooks. We will begin by understanding the fundamentals of VAT and its significance for your business operations. Then, we will guide you through setting up the necessary VAT codes and rates within your QuickBooks software. Finally, we will cover the essential steps for accurately recording both sales and purchase transactions that involve VAT, ensuring your financial records are precise and compliant. To begin, access the VAT Center in QuickBooks, which is your central hub for all tax-related configurations. Here, you can easily create new VAT codes, accommodating various tax rates like the standard 20% or reduced rates of 5%. It is crucial to assign the correct tax agencies to each code, ensuring that your reporting is accurate and that payments are directed to the proper authorities, streamlining your compliance efforts. When generating invoices or sales receipts for your customers, always select the appropriate VAT code for each item or service. QuickBooks will then automatically calculate the value-added tax amount based on the chosen rate, saving you time and reducing errors. It is essential to verify that your sales transactions precisely reflect the VAT collected from your clients, maintaining transparency and accuracy in your financial records. For purchases, accurately enter supplier bills and expenses, making sure to select the correct VAT code for every item. This ensures that the input VAT is properly recorded, which is crucial for potential reclaim purposes. Regularly reconciling your VAT accounts is a vital step to maintain accurate financial records and ensure compliance with tax regulations, providing a clear overview of your business's tax position.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.